to show them how they can turn their phones into assets. They can make money using their phones. I encourage you to share this live stream, to share this ongoing session with them, and be a blessing to them as well. Okay. Just a moment, please. All right, so 2 years ago, in 2024, I came to a very powerful realization and understanding of how powerful my phone is. I did not know that I could make the same money I was making through my other businesses, through my everyday physical activities that I was carrying on that could generate me income. I didn't know that I could make the same money. Okay. I've been in network marketing business for over 8 years, and I remember what I used to do. It was so hectic, extremely hectic. I used to work very hard. I could do a lot of calls every day. I could talk to people. I could travel from one place to the other. And well, I had passion for what I was doing, but then I didn't know that I could make the same money I was making and even more using my phone at home. And this is what I want to share with you. Because a brother of mine that I was in business with back in 2017, a medical doctor, qualified medical doctor, I separated with the guy in 2017. I went out of the country. He continued doing whatever he was doing, then later stopped it and ventured into online businesses. I reconnect with this guy, the person I knew to be very broke, that even broke people could look at him and say, my brother, I am broke, but you are broker. And this guy had made over $207,000 using his phone. All right. Sorry, my other gadget just it went off. I didn't know that there was no power, so I've just switched on the PC. Can you now hear me? Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear? Can we continue? Can we continue?
Yes, you are loud and clear.
Thank you, Mama Stella. How are you?
I'm good, and how are you, my leader?
Good. That's my very, very good friend, my mother. I love her from Malawi. Do I have any other person joining in from Malawi? Any other person connecting from Malawi? If you are here, the warm heart of Africa, Team Malawi. Where are you, my friend from Malawi? Malawi. I miss Malawi. I miss Blantyre in Malawi. Hey, Mama Stella knows I miss Blantyre. There is a city, those of you who have never been to Malawi, called Blantyre. No. Zomba. I miss Zomba. I miss Zomba, not Blantyre. I miss Zomba. There is a very nice green city. When you go there, my brother, my sister, your skin will start glowing because of the natural hair that the natural hair that town has and cool. So I miss that place. Anyways, welcome those of you who are joining in for the first time, and to my friends who are coming back, the leaders, thank you. I was telling you that 2 years ago, I didn't know. Jojo is saying, don't start. I have not started. Unless you want me to. You are warning me ahead of time not to start. You don't want to look very nice. When I went there, my skin was glowing. All girls and women were like, hey, you are glowing, you are glowing. I said, okay, I am glowing. Very nice, very nice. So I said, I'll come back. That is the Zomba. So you should visit. If you are there and you want to look very nice, go in Zomba. Hey, yeah, who told you not to travel? I traveled, so I have stories to tell you. And there are people, you are here, you have never eaten a rat. Yes, you can eat rat. Yes, how do you call it, Mama Stella? Miss? Yeah, very nice reddish. Very nice reddish. So you can enjoy there. Okay, so today we are here to talk about money. If you are here and you are joining in from different parts of the world, I want to welcome you, those in Africa and outside Africa. What is this I'm hearing? What is this I'm hearing? Let me just stop this. Where is that sound coming? Okay, so good to go now. We call it Imbewa. Yes, Mama Stella has given me the correct name, Imbewa. Hey, very delicious, very delicious. All right, so friends, I am someone who loves sharing what I've learned about a lot of things, especially how to make money. In 2024, like I was telling you, I did not know that I could make money using my phone until I met Julius. Julius is a brother of mine I've known in the past. He was very broke by the time I knew him in 2017. I connect with him again in 2024, and in just a span of very few years, because in his story he told me that he showed me the money. He didn't just tell me, he was showing me when we were talking at that time. He had made $207,000 in a space of 2 years and 11 months using his phone. And I was shocked because I had not yet made that money working very hard. You might be here and you put in a lot of efforts in what you do, but yet the reward is very small. There are systems that could take in the same effort but give you better rewards. In online, online today is one way that people are going to wake up so late on and realize that, hey, I have been working so hard, getting so little. Yet there is a system here that could give me more than what I am making, putting in where I'm putting in the same effort that I'm putting in my other businesses. So that was my story back then. I jumped on the business that Julius was doing, which was crypto trading. I was introduced to cryptocurrencies by a friend of mine that I knew. I'm not your friend. You've not known me before. We have not connected before. My job here is basically to share information. They shared me something that has changed my life. I've been able to travel. I've been able to take care of my family, achieve some of my goals, and be able to dream again because of crypto. I didn't know that I would make money at the same time I have my freedom. It is possible today. I make money, I spend time with my family, I do what I want whenever I want. I don't have a boss to tell me what to do. I have freedom. That's what I can tell you. And that is because someone shared me the opportunity. So I'm sharing because it has helped me, not because I want you to join anything. And after this presentation, if you find an opportunity, if you find a blessing in what I'm going to share with you, then you are able to make an independent decision. 2 years ago, I didn't understand what cryptocurrencies were until I met my friend Julius, gave me a chance to explain. He explained to me everything properly. Maybe I would still be discouraging my friends to participate or to listen to anyone who speaks about crypto. Maybe I would still be very negative and very skeptical about the entire industry if it was not that friend of mine. So I am here as a living testimony, as proof that people can make genuine money through cryptocurrency trading in the online space using their phone. The past 2 months, I have been working with 33CIRCLE, which is right now my current crypto project that I personally fall in love with because it doesn't require me to send my capital to anyone. I have my money at my fingertip. I have access to it whenever I want it. It has been able to reward me awesomely with something not too much to brag about, but I can tell you the future is too pregnant. I've been able to generate over 1,500 plus USDT or US dollar using my phone when I am home in 2 months. And if I can do this, I think anybody can do it because there is nothing really special about me. I'm not the most intelligent. I'm not the most hardworking. I'm not the smartest. No, I'm just someone who saw the opportunity, took advantage of it, and I'm enjoying the journey. And I've been able to see so many other leaders on my community make 1,000, 1,500, 1,300. Several people have made $150. So the system keeps growing every single day. So in very few minutes, allow me to explain to you what cryptocurrencies are and tell you how exactly you are going to make money using your phone. If you are ready, give me a 2 in the chat. Just give me a 2 in the chat. Okay, so we are just going to do a small research together. I'm not going to complicate my presentation. If you are here and you are very skeptical about cryptocurrencies, don't worry. It's good that you have not paid money to join this call. It's not a hotel meeting that you pay the ticket. It's just a Zoom call. You can even tap on leave and immediately you leave. But if you are open to listening to information, you are someone who is very, very open-minded, let's do a quick research about it. I didn't know cryptocurrencies. I didn't understand. I knew, but I never understood them. I never understood them. I didn't understand how they really work and how legitimate they are until someone gave me a chance to explain to me. Okay, so we are in a business called cryptocurrency trading. Okay, I'm going to use this search engine. You can do your own research as well, but let's quickly just use this AI called Gemini. I'm going to ask it a simple question and then we are going to proceed. We are going to just give it a prompt, okay? What is cryptocurrency? I'm going to ask it a series of questions and when it answers, we are going to go with that. What is cryptocurrency? And how legit are cryptocurrencies? And I will just ask it a series of questions. This is just a random. We are just going to do a research together, you and me, and then I'll be able to explain to you how you are going to make money through cryptocurrencies safely without you losing your money on to scams, okay? Because scams are very many. So what is cryptocurrency and how legit are cryptocurrencies? The other question we should ask is how much was the first crypto when it first came? On the market, all right? And how much is it today? This is AI, this is a Gemini. You can go ahead and use Google, you can use ChatGPT. What is cryptocurrency and how legit are cryptocurrencies, and how much was the first crypto when it first came on the market, and how much is it today? So this is a research you and me we are going to do, and then after that I'm going to take you into how you are going to make money through cryptocurrencies safely. Okay, so basically this is quite long, but we are going to go ahead and okay, and just summarize it. So it says at core, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money. So this is money, but it is not touchable. Unlike traditional cash in your wallet, like US dollar, Ugandan shilling, it doesn't physically exist as a coin or paper bill. So we have understood that crypto is digital, crypto can't be touched, crypto is not physical. What makes it truly unique is that it is decentralized. It is traditional money. Traditional money is controlled by central banks and government, which decides how much to print and how it flows. Cryptocurrency operates on distributed network of computers using technology called blockchain. They are simplifying it for us very well. So a blockchain is, think of blockchain as a digital or public ledger or notebook. Every time someone sends a receive or receive crypto, that transaction is securely bounded with others into a block. And okay, now they are going into blockchain. I don't want to dig into blockchain. It confuses new people. Now, how legit are cryptocurrencies? Legitimacy is in crypto is a bit mixed bag and depends heavily on what ecosystem you are looking at. The technology is legit. Major global banks, corporations, and even some governments use blockchain technology because it is incredibly secure, transparent, and efficient for moving data or value. Regulation is increasing. Crypto has moved far beyond a niche internet hobby. Major financial markets now trade regulated Bitcoin, ETFs, exchanges. So crypto right now is getting legit in several countries, except a few countries that have not yet gotten. It's not considered legit or it's not considered illegal or legal in these countries where they have not yet fully gotten a structure for it. Okay, the first crypto then and now. We look at the first crypto when it came on the market, how much it was and how much it is today. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you the presentation easily. Okay. Now, the first ever cryptocurrency was called what? Bitcoin or BTC. It was launched in January 2009 by an anonymous gentleman by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. We won't go into that, all right? And by the time this Bitcoin, this Bitcoin was trading around, the first time to be traded, it was trading at 0.004. As we speak today, one Bitcoin is trading at $76, $76,000. Now, let's go slow here. Do you know what it means? It means if someone had invested back in 2010 if you had invested, if you had $100, if you had $100, I'm not sure if you can still see my screen. If my calculator is visible, I think so. I think so. Is that so or no? Let's use the entire screen. Now look here. If you invested $100 in Bitcoin in 2010, it means you could get, oh, sorry. That was a wrong calculation. If you had invested $100 in Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin would you receive at that time? So you would get 25,000 Bitcoins. And if each Bitcoin you sell it today at the current price of 76,000, we have seen that the current price is how much? Current price is $76,600. How much money could you make from just those Bitcoin of yours? Okay, if we do current price, which is $76,000, you can see that $76,000. How much could you make in your $100? 76,600. Look at that. You could make $1.9 billion. $1.9 billion. If only you knew Bitcoin and you bought Bitcoin for $100, with $100 investment, you could be a billionaire in dollars. So cryptos are real. They work as money. They also work as assets. But how do people make money from crypto? People make money from crypto by trading cryptocurrencies. What is crypto trading? Coach, what is crypto trading? Crypto trading is the act of buying cryptocurrencies and selling them. You buy them at a lower price and you sell them at a higher price. Some people, they trade contracts. Okay, so people make money in crypto by buying and holding their crypto and wait for the price to raise, and then they sell and they make money. Others, they buy low and sell high. Okay, how do people do that? It is so simple. You just need a phone, access to internet. Anywhere in the world, you can participate in crypto. You know why? Because it is not difficult. Let's check a what? A website called CoinMarketCap. This is a place where you find so much information about cryptocurrencies. Okay, literally, you can find a lot of information, a lot of data about cryptocurrencies. How much is the money is in the market right now? We can see that the market right now is having $2.54 trillion. People have invested $2.54 trillion in the crypto space as we speak right now. Okay, now I want you to observe something about these cryptocurrencies. For example, this one, Bitcoin, which was the first cryptocurrency. We are going to check on even other cryptocurrencies, and you will notice something about them. You see this crypto, okay? What do you see? What do you see? You notice that the prices keeps going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. Right now we are down. So anytime soon we expect it to go up. So what happens? We buy low, sell high. So when you find when the market is low, an opportunity to buy is there. When you find when the market is up, it's an opportunity for people to sell. So we buy low, we sell high. You can do this on your phone by yourself by simply having an exchanger. The biggest exchanger in the world today is called Binance, this one here. Okay, so Binance is trusted by hundreds of millions of people across the globe. When you search about it, it's the biggest trusted exchanger across the world, the biggest. with over, I don't know if, yeah, over $10 billion are being traded every single day on Binance. Over $153 billion worth of cryptocurrencies are in Binance. Are you seeing that? So it is a big exchanger. So for you to open an account on Binance, you are already ready to start participating in crypto. Because here on Binance, Binance has an application. It also has a website. You can sign up, get an account from anywhere in the world. And you'll be able to start trading this crypto. You can buy low, sell high. You buy low, you sell high. I have it on the desktop here, but I think the phone, the mobile one is much easier for me. I had a log in my desktop what? Binance. But my phone has gone off. Okay. So this is what Binance is telling us. Over 213 million users, registered users. People are trust Binance across the world. So you won't be the first one. There are over 413 cryptocurrency, 6 billions. This is real-time data now. Okay, so Binance allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from anywhere in the world. So this is called a centralized exchanger. But there are also those that we call decentralized exchanges like Hyperliquid. Let me see if we can get a centralized exchanger here. Okay. There are so many of them. There is Asta. So you see, there is this one. I like this one, number 3. Can you see this? Give me a 1 in the chat if you can see this. This is Hyperliquid. I like it. It's very user-friendly. So if you don't have a national ID, a passport, a driving license, you may not have an account of Binance. Binance is also restricted in certain countries. You are unable to use it. So if you are in a place where you can't use Binance, you can use Hyperliquid Exchanger. Okay, so Hyperliquid allows you to open an account even if you don't have a national ID or a driving license or a passport. You are able to come and start trading. All right, give me a yes in the chat if you were together up to that point. So once you have this, if you have an exchanger, you can just place buy, wait for the price to rise. It goes up and then you sell. But now the question is, how can someone succeed in crypto? Because participating is so simple. You don't need to send your money to any single person. You don't need to trust anyone. You don't need to give your money to anybody for you to start making money from crypto. You can buy low, wait for the price to rise, and then you sell. In the spot market, even if the price has gone down, you still have your asset. You don't make a loss. You just have to wait. When prices go up, you sell and you make the profit. Is that clear? So basically, that is crypto trading. It is as simple as that. No jargonies. I don't want to complicate it. But here is the thing. Okay, here is the thing. How can someone win in crypto? How can you win in crypto? Can you type it for me in the chat if you are following? How can one win in crypto? Because starting is as simple as I've explained it. Participating doesn't really require you to have much. But for you to win in the field, you need to have extra things attached to that. Because succeeding, starting a business or buying things in China and sell them in Uganda, it is much easier. It is so easy, but to succeed in it is a different story. It's one thing to start, and it's a whole different story to be successful in that particular field. So I want to give you 3 things that you need for you to succeed in your journey of buying cryptocurrencies and selling them. Okay? I'll give you 3. And if you have these 3, I can almost assure you, you will surely make the money in crypto. So number one, the number one thing you need is a skill. I don't have all three. I have just one, but I make money, and I'm going to show you how I do it. The number two thing, let's just outline them first, is tools. And the last thing you need is money. I have put them in order of priority. If you have money, but you don't have skill and you don't have tools, you are going to lose the money, I assure you. Yes, you can start okay, you can make a few wins here and there, but you lose the money. So don't come with your money. You know, it doesn't matter how much. Even if you have 1 million, the market can take it. Do you know why? Trading is a skill. Trading is a skill. Banks and nations, they pay people to learn trading, to trade for them. Okay? Whenever you enter trading, you are participating in a global market with big players, including institutions. If you don't have good skills, you can lose everything you have come with. The risk is very high altogether because the assets you are trading, they are highly volatile. Their prices keeps moving up and down. So the money here can be made easily, but you can also lose it easily if you don't know what you are doing. Secondly, tools. You need tools. Once you have the skill, you must know how to use the right tools. When? Among the tools you need is AI as well. After getting the skill, right now AI is making life easier for people who know how to trade in crypto. They make a lot of money through by using of AI. Not fully AI, no. Semi-AI. They know how to use it, when to use it, and when not to use it. So, among the tools, you can subscribe to softwares. You can pay some fee. People invest in big computers. They invest a lot of money by them. Altogether, they invest a lot of money. For them to make money from trading, they invest a lot of money. Let me see if I can show you a clip, a small thing here. Let me see. We come back here. Let us see. Let us do a small research, and we shall put professional trading setup. Let me show you. Let's just search this. I think this. Can you see this? Give me a yes if you can see that. This is what it cost. Professional traders. I'm not talking about people who are trying here and there. Professional trading setup typically costs $1,500 to $4,000. This is not capital. This is just you setting up. You have tools that enables you to be profitable in the market. Some of you, you think this is gambling. You think this is gambling. They are professional people who are making big money from this thing of trading. They make good money. But I don't have all this money. I don't have the 1,500 just to invest in computers and all that. I don't. Altogether, then someone out there is lying to you that you are going to buy a robot with 120 and you become a successful trader. Forget about that nonsense. Forget about that nonsense. Someone is investing $4,000 just in a desktop and the setup, depending. These are just hardwares. Are you seeing that? But when we go to Advanced, this is now high-end professional setup. It goes up to $2,000, up to $4,500. Are we together? So these are tools they need. And the tools are expensive. Tools are expensive. But guess what? On top of that, you still need capital. I told you I don't have those things, but I still make money from crypto. I still make money through trading. Are we together now? On top of this, you need the capital for trading. What you are going to be using to buy and sell. Hello? So how do I do it? And how does Jojo, who started with $100, made $18 without knowing? How did Mr. Alex? Alex started with $2,000. All right? This is now my community members. I'll bring you here. I'll bring you here. How did Alex? I know you can see my screen. Okay? I'm going to introduce you to an amazing system. How did this guy is not a professional trader. This is Ananta 33. Ananta has made $3,400 in less than 3 months. This month only, Ananta has generated $859 from the crypto space. This one has made 532. This one has generated 665. It goes on and on and on and on and on. But I know someone. There is someone I know personally. This guy is called Alex. I've met him in person. He has generated this month $144 so far. He's an elderly gentleman. I think he's in his 60s. He doesn't really know about technology. He doesn't understand even how to use his phone properly. But Alex has been able to make $617 in 1 month using capital of $3,000 in crypto without lifting a finger, without having to lift a finger. He has made this money purely from trading. This is another friend of mine, Peter Mtuk. Peter Mtuk is using $2,500, I think. He has generated $675. Last month and this month. Can I show you how they are doing it? How are they doing it? Can I show you? Give me a yes if you want to see that. Now, in life, if you don't know how to do something, it doesn't mean that you can't get the result of that thing. Because I don't know how to remove a tooth, it doesn't mean that I can't get someone who know how to remove a tooth do it for me. I think that. So allow me to introduce you to an amazing system that is allowing new beginners, people, newbies like you and me, people who don't have skills, they don't have a lot of money to invest in those tools, to also be able to make money. Maybe you have your $1,000, $2,000, $500. You want to start making money with that money, but you don't have where to start from. Use 33CIRCLE. 33CIRCLE is a new system that we are so proud of. 33CIRCLE allows new people to make money from the crypto space. Let me introduce you to 33CIRCLE. What is 33CIRCLE in a nutshell? In a nutshell, 33CIRCLE is an expert-led crypto trading platform designed to bring institutional-grade trading and long-term wealth building, all right, within reach of everyday investors. All right, 33CIRCLE is a group of professional traders who run systematic rule-based strategies directly on your own exchange account, like Binance, through a secure API. So you don't give them your money stays in your Binance. So your funds always remain in your personal exchange, and 33CIRCLE never takes custody of your capital. So your capital, you are with it, it is in your hand. You have access to it. You have control over it anytime, any day. This is what makes 33CIRCLE unique. So what do? All you need to do is you open an account. I've already talked about the exchanger. Once you get an account with an exchanger, connect it to 33CIRCLE via API. And once you do that, pay the subscription fee because 33CIRCLE doesn't work for free. So these are their plans. Okay? These are their plans. These are their plans. They trade for you at $19 every month. So even if you have made $10,000, okay, you just pay $19 every month to access their trading services. So even if they have made you $1,000, you just pay. So you can pay $19 every month, or you can pay it 6 months ahead of time, or you can pay it 1 year ahead of time. 1 year is the best. All right. So you get all this. But let me mention, when you are doing your activation for the first time, there is an extra $33 that you pay on top of this 52. That one you don't pay it again. You don't pay it again. It caters for the affiliate program and anything else. So you pay that and that's all. You don't pay it again. So you can say I'll pay, which if we add 33 plus $19, it brings it to $52. So as a beginner, for the first time, your account will require you to pay $52 only. And after 1 month, you will just be paying the $19 alone. You don't have to pay 52 again. So once you clear the subscription, you also you'll be sharing the profit 80-20. Any profit 33CIRCLE makes for you, you take 80%, they take 20%. So that is the deal. So even if they have made you $10,000, $1 million, 80% is your share and 20% is their share. So that's how business is done. And you are able to access all these services, expert-led trades, automated 24/7. You don't have to do anything. They manage all your trades. Real-time analytic reporting. They show you what's happening in the market. 7 attractive bonus. You are able to earn in 7 other ways on top of your trading profit in case you want, including the matrix, which doesn't require to share the link with other people, but you still be able to make money from it. Advanced risk management, comprehensive educational resources for you to be able to learn about trading, instant trade notification and portfolio performance tracking, active streamline positionings for a month. So you are able to enjoy all these services, in 33CIRCLE after your subscription. So it's very simple. I hope this makes it clear. All right. What else have I not talked about? You put your capital in your Binance and they will automatically start executing trades on your behalf. Coach, these are some of the most common questions people ask. Coach, how much capital do I need to start with in Binance or in the exchanger? Anything above $50, they will start doing the work. I will always recommend, if you can, please, if you can put it to $300, that is my personal ideal capital. $300, that's good. But if you're a beginner, anything small, it's good because you want to experience the system and see how it works before you make that big jump. Okay, so you can start with your 100, your 200, your 300. Maybe after a week or 2 or 3 after experiencing the system, you can now make a proper decision. Okay, so the other question people usually ask me, if I have started trading and I find myself in a position where I'm offline, will I still be able to make money? Will they continue trading for me? Yes, sir. You don't have to be always online. As long as you have done your API, you are going to enjoy the trading, right? The other question people ask me is about the profits. How do I withdraw my profit? How often do I withdraw my profit? Interestingly, your profit are always together with your capital. They are not away. So as the way you access your capital anytime, the same way, that's how you access your profit anytime, because you don't send your capital to anyone. Whenever they make profit, your capital, your profit are added automatically to your capital. All right. Any other question? If you have any question I've not addressed, you are free to ask and I'm going to answer it. If you want to learn more about our super amazing affiliate program, which is giving people an opportunity to make a lot of money, to grow their capital, you are able to come back tomorrow or reach out to the person who invited you. He can teach you how to do that. Just know one thing for sure. As long as you have TikTok, you have YouTube, you have WhatsApp, you are going to be able to make money through our affiliate program because it is so easy, it is so simple, yet so powerful for people to earn from. So I'll take in a few questions. In case you have any question, please feel free to unmute your microphone or ask it in the comment section. I'll be so happy to help you understand where you're stuck. Otherwise, thank you so very much. Those of you who have joined in tonight, I don't want to take it beyond this unless we have questions. And here is what I'm thinking, friends. Yes, go ahead, Mama Stella. Someone has unmuted. Please go ahead. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you, Doc, for your flowers. I think they should put gifts they should put gifts in Zoom. Hey, some of you should give me gifts. Jojo, hey, give me gifts. Huh? Hey, you gift me. Huh? After doing the presentation, you say, Coach, the gift of $100 is there. And then it comes in my gift room. Huh? Yes. Huh? I talk too much. Yeah. So are we happy now? Are we good? I have a suggestion, friends. How do we see? I'm just trying to ask. I miss you. I miss you. I miss training you. Miss training you. How do you see we have trainings at 10 hours? No, at 22, which is 10 p.m. So after our presentation, we take an extra mile of maybe 1 more hour and do our training just for these 90 days. Because I'm trying to see how best I can really maintain the trainings of Zoom. Because they have been affected with the live session, TikTok live in the morning. Yet they are so important. How do we do that? We can either skip some days, we do the presentation like today, and then the following day we do a training. We do kasavu kanyama, miti fati, kasavu kanyama, fati miti, fati miti, like that. Kasavu kanyama, that is Mama Stella asking, Coach, what does it mean? Miti, kasavu kanyama means miti fat, so we mix. We can do presentation on Monday, Tuesday at 9 p.m. we do a training and we continue like that. So we have 3 presentations in a week and perhaps or 3 trainings in a week as well. Can I see those who are some of you you can't respond. Why does that doesn't use margin call? Good. I love those questions. By the way, these questions are very important. I like that, George. Presentation Monday, Wednesday, Friday, training Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Presentations. Yeah, we can go with that. I hope it can work because that time we are free. Okay. So let me see. We should have we should have trainings and presentations at 9 p.m. or trainings should be done at 10 p.m. East African time. So we are going to have a poll before you go. Simple. Mixture. So those who are saying mixture at 9 p.m., you vote that. If you are saying extra 1 hour, okay, training at 10 p.m. We should have our training and presentation at 9 p.m. All right, so this should be visible to you, that side. Are you able to see the poll now? I want the voting to start now. Start voting now. Those who are saying mixed at 9 p.m. If you are saying we do our presentation mix at 9 p.m. and at 10 p.m., go ahead and vote. Those who are saying we do it now, this is the time to know who is following and those who are dozing, because it is so simple. You just tap in, cast your vote. It's very simple. On your screen, it has popped up. Just go ahead and cast your vote. All right? Yep. Let me know. Let me know. Let me see. Let me know. Let me see. Let me know. Let me see. Those who are following. Okay, we have 2 votes. We have 2 votes. Please continue voting. Continue voting. If you are saying we do, continue. I have 5 votes now. 5 votes. Continue voting. Continue voting. Nothing on your screen. Then where are the other ones voting from? 6 votes now. 6 votes now. Continue voting. Continue voting. I can't see where to vote from. For you, I don't know what to do for you people. But me, I see people are voting. I see people are voting. Hey, I see people are voting. Just imagine, people are voting. And some people are not voting. Why are you not voting? The poll is going on. So we have 4 people have voted that we do mixture. So if you are saying we do mixture at 9 p.m., if we do mixture at 9 p.m., type 9 p.m. If you are saying the training should be separated, we do it on its own hours at 10 p.m., you type 10 p.m. So those of you who can't see, you can vote from the chat board, the chat room. You type 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. I repeat, if you type 10 p.m., it means you are saying our training should be happening at 10 p.m. Ugandan time. So we shall be doing the presentation, and after the presentation, we'll go into the training at 10 p.m. And if you say 9 p.m., it means you are saying we mix. So we do Kasavu Kanyama, but on the same time, 9 p.m. We do training on Monday, Monday presentation, training on Tuesday. And like that, we mix, but same hour. So if you are doing 9 p.m., let's do the voting. So I have a mixture 9 p.m. People are saying 9 p.m. on the poll here. On the poll here, there are 4. 2 are saying 10 p.m. Let's go in the comment section. The rest are doing. Let's all vote. In the comment section, I see that we have 9 p.m., 9 p.m., 1:10 p.m., 9 p.m., 9 p.m., 9 p.m. So even in the comment section, there are more people saying 9 p.m. Okay, we have got another one person who has voted on the poll. 9 p.m. No, Mr. Conrad, we mean 9 p.m. I'm referring to East Africa Standard Time, which is the same time our session is that is your 20 hours in Zambia. 20 hours in Zambia. So we have 7 voters on the poll. So it seems we are having 9 p.m. More people are voting for 9 p.m. So I think we shall 9 p.m. as well. So what we are going to do, we shall be mixing. So some days we'll have trainings. I'll come and do trainings. And to my friends in Uganda, who requested for Luganda classes, I think Leader Alan, I don't know if he's on the call right now. Okay. No, I can't see him. So for the Luganda classes, we shall talk. But for the English session, we shall do a mixture. Kasavu, Kanyama, Kasavu, Kanyama, Kasavu, Kanyama. So the new schedule of our sessions, it will be designed properly and resent. We shall send back so that you are aware of how the program will be moving. We are moving like this for 90 days. After the 90 days, we'll be able to resume our normal sessions that we were doing. In the morning, we have our Uganda class and the English session in the morning, and then in the evening, we have our presentation. So in the meantime, this is a momentum strategy where we are doing abnormal activities to get abnormal results. So to those of you who are working, who are putting in the effort, big up to you. My prayer only is to see you at the top, is to see that you and me, we win. Yes, you have to win, I have to win, we must win. We belong to the top. We have no space at the bottom. We are top guys. We belong to the top. So with that said, tomorrow I will come in with a training, and then on Wednesday we shall come back with a presentation, a training on Thursday, presentation on Friday, and Saturdays, if situations allow, the Saturday session will come. I don't like to always give guarantees on Saturdays, because it can be funny Saturdays, okay? So the days that be sure trainings will be available Monday, Friday. We are going to talk a lot about social media marketing. I'll be teaching a lot about prospecting, building a team using your phone without you having to travel, I will be doing a lot of social media training, equipping you with a lot of skills on how to use your TikTok account, your WhatsApp to build the communities, to build a team. So make sure you are available. Don't miss any class. Always be available and be on time and be a good practicer. Don't just be an attendee, but practice what you learn. So thank you so much. God bless you. Let me wish you a good night. We catch up tomorrow, same time, same link. Bye-bye for now.